Welcome back, guys. It's the TightWad, and if you haven't noticed, I do a little bit of woodworking on the side. Today I want to show you how I easily cut circles from wood using just my table saw and a little jig. I wanted to show you guys how I cut some of my smaller circles. A quick jig that I made up. It's just a wooden runner that fits in this slot of my table saw with some holes drilled in it for 24-inch rounds and 18-inch rounds. So the hole is 9 inches from the edge of the saw, or sorry, from the edge of the plywood or the blade, whichever one you want to call it. And you see I have 2 holes because one was just a little bit off. So I just simply drilled another one. I have a pin made out of a nail. So the hole goes, or the pin goes in the hole here. This is the prepared board. I already have the boards glued down to the plywood that holds them all together. Slide the jig back a little bit, and there's a hole in the center of this, and that fits right down on here. Then I just turn on my table saw and I'll spin it around. So with the first few passes, I take off the bulk of the extra wood. So I'll go around and cut 7 or 8 cuts to knock off the big pieces. And then I go back and fine tune it, which you'll see in the next clip. After I get the majority of the wood removed, I take the round and put it right up next to the edge of the blade and spin it around to knock off any rough edges that may be left. This definitely isn't the only way to cut a circle out of wood. I use the table saw for most of my smaller circles, but anything over 24 inches, I use a router and a router jig. It just takes a little bit longer to set up, but it does produce a more perfect circle. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Post any questions you might have in the comment section below. If you click the logo in the center of the screen, it will automatically subscribe you to my channel, so you'll see when I post videos of other woodworking projects, things I repaired around the home, auto repairs, or even things that I like to cook on my big green egg. I hope you guys have a great day.